Hey guys, this is Jim from CitiBike Walkie. Hope you're having a great day. Today is August 2nd, and it's Sunday. It's about lunchtime, but I'm on 8th Avenue and 34th Street. I'm about to go over to B&H, world famous camera store. So yeah, usually most people come off the train. This is the 34th Street station. They walk over on 34th Street and make their way over to 9th Avenue, and that's where B&H is. So yeah, let's get started. I'm not buying anything in particular at B&H today, unfortunately, although I do buy from them pretty often. But since I'm in the area, I just want to show you what they look like for those who've never visited, especially the international community. If you're international and a camera or technology enthusiast, this is one of the places to go within the entire world, in fact, to buy your cameras. That along with Amazon. So of course you have Best Buy, but they don't carry the kind of selection that B&H does. So, and their store is pretty special. If you like music equipment, there's Sam Ash across the street. They have guitars and all sorts of musical instruments. So if you're driving, B&H has parking across the street over there. That's for customer parking. No, Autorama is one of their main competitors, which is like a smaller version of B&H. But they do all right. They're over on 18th Street. And B&H is pretty awesome with their customer service and exchanges. So you could bring anything you don't want to keep and you want to return it, exchange it, you can come here and get in line and do an exchange. I hear some music. I'm going to try to avoid it. Let's see if it's possible. Let's gotta talk over it. Right across the street is a huge Peloton building. So this must be one of their headquarters. Maybe you see that. As many of you may know, if you follow outdoor activities and biking, Peloton makes indoor cycling vehicles that let you have let's just say interactive experience biking indoors or exercising indoors. So this is let me get the front of it. So here it is, B&H in real life, RRL. So So let's their entrance is further down, so let's see. Hopefully there's no line. I see a lot of people going in.
Like, I would say like 34 and up.
There's biking. You can lock your bike. And yeah, this is it. Hi. There's indoors. I'll come around here. There's all the tripods. And we'll purchase video cameras here. There's some camera bags. We're heading into the audio section. Some audio equipment. Field recorders. And there's a separate microphone room. You can have more of a controlled environment to test out equipment. Here's the computer section. We have laptops.
Walk straight, take a quick ride. I'll be on the other side.
More social distancing markers. There's a line up here.
Connect that how? The contact? Just
This is the headphone section. I would say it's not as crowded as normally would pre-pandemic. So it looks like they have good activity. Here's where you check out. And these are the conveyor belts. There's nothing happening here, but these tracks up here are it's where the products will move. Let's see if I could catch the action of the conveyor belt. And this is the lighting section. Got all sorts of lighting equipment. So we got a good amount of people looking at lighting. And some LED lights. Very cool.
Please proceed to cashier.
What is this? There's some charging cables. We're gonna head upstairs. This will be the camera section, photography. Once you get off the escalator, this is the used section. Where you can get used products. You get a good deal on monopods. Definitely quiet than usual.
Feels the same way I do.
You got TVs, lots of TVs. Let's have a quick scan. And there's some gaming. There's Xbox, PS4. Test out the gaming. So lots of TVs.
Do not. I can't say how.
Here's the photography section. There's partitions for social distancing.
It's physically surface area of the thing that's capturing your information is large.
Sony. To my left are more like camera bags. There's Canon. So they got their own little section for each brand. And this net right here is where you could test out drone. This is more of the action camera section. So you can test out drones. So definitely nice to have a controlled area to test out what you're gonna buy. So you have some demo units out. These looks like consumer type cameras. This point and shoot. This GoPro. I'm using a GoPro right now, which is awesome. GoPro Hero 8 Black. So you got some tabletop tripods. More action cameras. .360 cameras. Actually, I'm going to stop for a moment. I'm going to check something out. Alright, I'm going to continue. In stacks. Oh, never seen these type of cameras. Look at this. More like an old school Kodak camera. Yeah, I imagine this is where, this is where you get the your prints out instantly. So yeah, I don't think these type of cameras go out of style. You could just have a tangible print you could just put up anywhere, which is pretty cool. Look at these telescopes. We'll look at the stars. A lot of bags. See, this along this section is where you get some customer service. There's more of the bags. Now that traveling's come to pretty much a halt, nobody's really looking for bags and travel cases. Here you have like straps, camera straps, support, like tripods and monopods. More tripods. Lots of stuff.
But I think that that's just a limitation that it's not really that big of stuff.
There's Nikon. There's the Nikon section. Panasonic Lumix.
It's right here. I see it.
Go back down. Yeah, walk down. So yeah, this is the exit. So that'll do it for this video, and hope you enjoyed it. This is the checkout section. So as you can see, a lot of partitions and social distancing. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Right, bye.